Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be comparing the MZ Wallace Micro Sutton versus the small Crosby. So I recently did a video kind of showing all of the new mushroom colored stuff that MZ Wallace recently launched, and a ton of you requested a review on the Micro Sutton versus the small Crosby. And I actually think that's a pretty good comparison because both of them hold about the same capacity wise in my opinion. They both carry obviously completely different. This is a cute little handheld crossbody, whereas the small Crosby Sling is more of a traditional sling bag or a crossbody if you wore it a little bit lower, a little bit of versatility with that one. But I thought it would be helpful to kind of show all of the same items packed up in this bag, packed up in the small Crosby as well, just for you guys to kind of get a feel. For those of you that are on the fence with wanting to get a mushroom item, like a smaller item, but are not sure which one of these to get. I did a review on the Micro Sutton versus the small Sutton, I believe, a couple of months back. I will link that down below for those of you that are curious as to how those two sizes compare. They're quite different in my opinion. This one is very cute, but it does not hold near as much as the small Sutton does. My favorite out of those two sizes is probably the small Sutton, and had they have released this mushroom charter stripe print in the small Sutton, I would have bought that one over this one, just because it's a little bit bigger. But with that being said, I have been carrying this for the past, ever since I opened it out of the box, like a week or so now, and I really, really love it. I find that it matches a ton. I think it's gonna be such a cute, like everyday bag for spring and summer. What I'm gonna go ahead and do with this video is walk through both of these bags very briefly, try them on for you, and then we'll set the camera down and I'll show you how the two of them compare as far as what fits inside. All right, so let's start off here with this Micro Sutton. I have the crossbody strap attached to the bag here. You could easily detach the strap if you just wanted to carry this bag and not really use it crossbody. When you do that, you can actually clip the sides down a little bit, and it's so cute. Kind of looks like this on the side of the bag, which is adorable. But I was actually carrying it this past weekend, wearing this outfit actually. I wore it to dinner on Saturday night, and I thought that it looked really, really cute, especially against this denim. But like I said, I think that this particular mushroom color looks good with a lot of different colors. But I wore this crossbody and it was so comfortable to carry. Kind of looks like this with this denim jumper. You could carry it just a little bit higher. I had mine like down here and it was really, really comfortable. It packs just enough. It packs like the bare minimum of what you would need. And I think the key with the Micro Sutton, honestly, is you cannot pack it with pouches. You have to use a very small wallet, and then everything just kind of gets thrown inside. But because the bag is so small and compact, you don't have to root around. Like everything is just, it's just right there. Like it's easy. You have a zipper pocket inside, and you also have one other pocket that I kind of stuck my wallet inside. The little key pouch here that I have was perfect because it's small, slim, compact, fit inside, and it's just great. I've actually really been loving it, and I'm obsessed with this print. As far as the small Crosby goes, this one is one of my favorite styles from MZ Wallace. I love the regular Crosby Sling so much. It is my favorite bag from MZ Wallace. The small Crosby is also exactly the same, only a little bit of a smaller scale. I get asked a lot about this one, like which one would I recommend buying if you're only buying one? And I have to say the regular Crosby. I think that one is the perfect size. It's versatile. It's not too big in my opinion. And this one is kind of small as to what will fit inside, but it's cute and compact. And if you don't need a lot, it's perfect. And in this mushroom color, it is so beautiful. I love the chain strap option that it has here. And this is usually what I use when I carry it, especially because it is like a smaller crossbody. I wear it as a sling with the chain strap here. And this is what it looks like. I love it. It's the perfect size on me. Again, it holds just the basics, like my wallet, pretty much everything I have in that micro Sutton, my wallet, like basic stuff that I need, which I'll show you here in just a second. But I really, really like the way that it looks. You could easily, I'm gonna put it, like wear it like this on the back of you if you wanted to. Hopefully you can see it there. But this sling is one of my favorites. I really like the way that it carries. And I've been enjoying both of these bags. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down so that I can pack them up and show you how they compare. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off with this micro Sutton, and then we're gonna move all of these same items into the small Crosby Sling so that you can see how the two of these compare packing wise. I think you all are gonna be really shocked at how I have this one packed and how I'm going to pack up the small Crosby. Like I mentioned earlier, I think the key to packing both of these bags, or any smaller bags like this, is to not overcomplicate the packing process. I know that sounds really dumb to say, but don't pack with pouches, don't pack with little bags or anything like that. Like, just throw what you need inside, because the bag is small enough that you are gonna be able to find everything that you need really easily. And there are still a couple of interior pockets in this one that help organize some of the smaller things. So this is how I have this one packed up. I've really been enjoying it. I carried it this whole past weekend and I love it. It's so cute, and it's really comfortable to carry. Opening up the inside, as you can see, I have all of my small things just in the center of the bag. There is one interior pocket here and a zipper pocket. Inside of this interior pocket, I just put my wallet, and I'm using a key pouch from Wallace right now, and I really like it. And I just noticed online that they have this one available in this mushroom color. I think I'm gonna need it. But I do kind of like how this cornflower blue just like pops with it. It looks really pretty. So attached to it, I do have my keys, easy peasy. I can just carry this if I wanted to. And inside this key pouch, I have all of my cards. You do have some card slots in here. I never use them. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy, but I just have all my cards in here. Plenty of room still for some cash, coins, some gift cards. This is a great little item. I did want to show you, I wanted to actually see myself. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It does not fit vertically in that pocket, and it does not fit horizontally, but you could easily, obviously, put this inside this bag or the small Crosby. I never have my phone packed in any of my videos because I just don't typically put my phone in my bags, but I know that's a question that a lot of you have sometimes. So inside the middle here, I'll just kind of go fast and pull everything out. I have my pillowcase that goes everywhere with me. I also have this little on-the-go mirror that I never thought I needed in my life until I have it. I've used that a lot. I also have my AirPods down in there in this little cute case. I have a bunch of lip products. I have my Clarity lip treatment stuff, and this other one that are both really good. They're just like moisturizers, if anything. I also have this little teeth flosser holder. My hand cream is down in there. My hand sanitizer, still kind of going through that one. And I have a hair tie and eye drops. So that's everything down in this middle part, I believe. Yes, room for tons more. You can put way more in this bag. It holds more than you think it would. In this zipper pocket here, I actually am using the little interior pockets on the back pouch, or the back zipper. I never do that. I just have my gum in here. I have, in this little pocket, I have Band-Aids and eyeglass cleaner. I usually have this in my pouches, but since I don't have any packed inside, I could actually use this back little pocket. And then over here, I have two little bars. I have a Verb energy bar, and I also have a small little Kind bar. And I could fit more back there for sure. So see what I mean? You don't really need to pack with any type of organization, because this bag is small enough to where this is truly all you need. All right, let's move quickly into this small Crosby Sling. I do think actually, it's so hard to tell which one capacity wise is bigger, because I think more could have easily fit in that micro Sutton. And looking at this, I'm like, oh, all this stuff is going to easily fit inside here. And can you imagine how much bigger even the regular size Crosby, like this is the small one. So if you need even more room or just want to have the option for more room, throw a water bottle or more stuff for your kids or whatever, then you kind of have the option to get the bigger one. So anywho, I'm just gonna kind of throw everything in here. You guys already know what all this is. Let me zoom in just a little bit more here. My wallet and my keys, pill case. I'll kind of try to pack it similar to how I packed the other one. What else did I have? Here in this front pocket, I will actually throw my like AirPods, I think, and some of this like smaller stuff like that. In this back zipper pocket, just like the other one. We'll put the gum, my Band-Aids and stuff over there, Verb Energy and Kind Bar. We will stick over in this little pocket. And awesome. They all fit in there. And then of course, you have more room to tuck this kind of stuff down in there. Hand cream, lip product, hand sanitizer. I'm kind of packing this through a camera, so I'm not quite as organized with it. But that's how everything looks inside here. I actually think I like, honestly, better, or I like the way that the Micro Sutton packs a little bit better. This tends to get fat with all this stuff, whereas that bag is already kind of cute and fat. If that makes any sense. But I would probably pare some of this down inside here just because I don't like the bulkiness of it. But I mean, it still fits in there really, really well. And there's more room. I mean, there's definitely more room in here for additional stuff. So there you have it. That's kind of how the packing of this small Crosby and the Micro compare. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in either the Micro Sutton from MZ Wallace or the small Crosby Sling. I will have my affiliate link with MZ Wallace linked down below, as well as a link to what's in my bag blog post so that you can see links to everything I had packed inside and links to these items. I so appreciate it anytime you think of me when shopping and use my affiliate links. They really help support my channel. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.